Friends, picture this. You're hiking the Grand Canyon, walking into a high-end wedding, or just hanging with your crew at the beach. And your phone camera, yeah, your actual phone camera, just lifts up into the air. It flies around you, circles above, and captures insane 4K aerial shots like you've got a Hollywood cinematographer following you around. This isn't some sci-fi movie scene from 2040. This is the dream Vivo is about to turn into a reality. That's right, the Vivo Flying Drone Phone is no longer just a patent sketch. The leaks are getting real, and the tech world is losing its mind. Vivo is bringing the world's first smartphone with a fully built-in, flying drone camera hidden right inside the chassis. But hold up, it's not just about a flying camera. This phone is rumored to be packed with specs that'll make even the latest iPhone look like a flip phone. We're talking a 200 megapixel drone that literally pops out of the top of the device. But let's get real, is it actually safe? Can it handle a gust of wind? And the big one, how much is this piece of the future going to cost you? In today's exclusive breakdown, we're spilling every single secret about the Vivo drone camera phone. From the internal hardware to the launch window and the most accurate price estimate you'll find. And stick around, because we've got a hidden detail about the drone's sensors at the end that barely anyone is talking about. Let's dive in. The display. First up, let's talk about that screen. You've seen Pro displays before, but this is on a whole other level. We're looking at a massive 6.95-inch LTPO LED panel. And the refresh rate, 144 Hz. Whether you're grinding in a high-stakes match of Warzone Mobile or just scrolling through your feed, every pixel moves so smoothly it feels like liquid glass. And brightness. This thing is designed to take on the direct California sun. We're talking a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. That means even in the harshest afternoon glare, your screen stays crystal clear. On top of that, Vivo is going for a tank-like build. Reports suggest an IP69 rating, that's higher than the standard IP68. Dust storms, heavy rain, this thing is built to survive. Plus, an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks in the literal blink of an eye. Drone camera setup. Alright, now it's time for the main event. The reason you clicked this video. The flying drone camera. Just imagine a fully functional, miniaturized drone tucked right inside your phone. This isn't a clip-on accessory you're going to lose. It's built into the body. One tap in the camera app, and the tray slides out, the 4 tiny propellers spin up, and this mini drone lifts off to hover right in front of you. And the sensor they've crammed into that tiny flying unit, a 200 megapixel beast. 200 megapixels, in the air. Think about the detail. You control it directly from your phone screen with a live, zero latency preview. You can fly it up for a bird's eye view or let it follow you using AI subject tracking. Imagine cruising on a bike while the drone captures a cinematic tracking shot from 15 feet up. Or making an entrance at a party while the drone locks onto your face for a slow-mo main character shot. And don't worry, when the drone is docked, you still have a pro-level 108 megapixel primary shooter on the back for your everyday photography. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute monster. The leaks point to it being powered by Qualcomm's next-gen powerhouse, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This is the silicon that's going to define flagship performance for the next 2 years. Whether you're editing 4K drone footage on the fly or running heavy titles like Genshin Impact at max settings, this chip handles it with zero lag and zero stutter. It's expected to ship with Android 16, optimized with Vivo's latest UI for the smoothest software experience they've ever delivered. The battery. Now, let's talk logistics. Flying a drone and powering a 144 Hz screen takes serious juice. Vivo isn't playing around. They've reportedly packed a 9,500 mAh super capacity battery into this frame. You can fly the drone, binge watch a series, and game for hours without reaching for a cable. And when you finally do need a top-up, it supports 125-watt ultra-fast charging. You'll literally go from 0% to a full charge in the time it takes you to grab a coffee. Price and launch date. Alright, let's get to the bottom line. How much is this going to hurt your wallet? And when can you actually buy it? The consensus among top leakers is that this all-in-one package, the flying 200 megapixel drone, the flagship specs, and that massive battery, is going to be priced around $1,800 USD. Yeah, that's a premium price tag. But think about it. A high-end flagship phone is $1,200, and a professional-grade mini drone is $600 to $800. This is both devices seamlessly integrated into one pocketable unit. As for the launch date, Vivo is eyeing a global reveal toward the end of this year, with a potential US market release shortly after. So, what's the verdict? Is this the absolute future of mobile tech, or is a flying phone just too crazy to work? Drop your take in the comments, I'm reading all of them. And that hidden detail I mentioned. Leaks suggest the drone uses ultrasonic sensors for obstacle avoidance, meaning it won't crash into walls or people while it's following you. That is a game changer.